Hey, what's up guys? Vic here with PhoneArena, and in this windy day we have the Samsung Galaxy A51 and its main camera that now shoots in 4K. Follow me, it's really windy. Let's test the video stabilization, the noise reduction, everything. Let's go. Right now we're recording in 4K with the main camera on this phone, and you also have an ultra-wide camera, but you cannot switch once you started recording with the main one. You cannot switch to the ultra-wide, which is a bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. Let's move the camera up and down to see how it adjusts to different lighting. Let's do it slower. Okay. Next up, we'll also test continuous autofocus. I'll quickly step out of the frame, see if the phone can switch the focus on to my hand, then to the background. And once again, see if it can lock my hand, the background. This is quicker, hand, background, hand, the background. And finally, let's also try to zoom all the way in. You have digital zoom here, no optical zoom, zooming all the way in. That's the quality that you can get. Then zoom all the way back out to the regular viewing distance. Next up, we'll switch to the ultra wide camera. You have to stop the video and start another one. Okay guys, and now we're rolling with the ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy A51, and this one also you can choose to support the super steady mode. We have not enabled it yet, but you get a much wider field of view, you get a lot more in the frame, so it's quite useful if you're shooting in tight spaces, and it's a nice extra to have. Let me know what you think about the image quality. Do you like it? The new A51. Vic with PhoneArena signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.